that's a good one. Oh yeah.
What's up everybody, Derek here, and today I'm on the creek, got some fast flowing water, got some pools downstream, and hopefully got some bass that are ready to eat. John's back there behind me getting his kayak and stuff together with Creek Fishing Adventures, so we are gonna go downstream here and see if we can catch some bass, or maybe, who knows, maybe some panfish, but let's get to fishing.
Definitely did not expect it to be raining like this out here. This is crazy. But the fishing must go on. Let's see if we can still catch some though. Oh, not trees. And that's what I caught. There is a ton of grass out here. Tons of grass in here. It's just hard to see right now with all this rain. See if anything will bite. Oh, we got one right there. Oh, that was a big one. Golly. That was a good one. Dang it. Well, apparently they're biting and it's raining. These fish are fired up. Oh, I just had one right there too. I don't think it was very big, but man, they are hitting in this rain. And that rain is cold too. Oh, we just had one right there. Man. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh no. How did it come off? Dang it. God, that was a good bass. They are so hungry right now. This rain is helping things so much with this bite. These fish are seeing this and it's making the water so dark that they are just attacking. Oh, we got one right there finally. Not a big one, but finally caught one. Oh, that bass feels so warm compared to this water. They are super aggressive right now.
Do what?
I missed 3 back there.
I've missed 2.
Have you really?
Little guys, they grabbed it and come up.
I missed one that was probably over 2 pounds. It flashed sideways, but
I didn't know what happened to you. I got down there and I'm like, where'd he go?
I was up there, I was fishing those grass and it had little indentations, and that's where they were sitting, in those little pockets. Oh, got one. He wanted it. Not a big one, but we're catching bass at least. Let go of it, buddy. Oh, about to go into this tree. I don't know how big he is, but he hit it. Not very big. That last one we missed was bigger than this one, that's for sure. Oh, John got him one. Oh, and so did I. Not a big one, but double. It almost seems like the bite really died off.
Still get bites a little bit.
A little bit?
They keep yanking on it, but it's barely got in their mouth. I think there must be something.
Probably. There's a lot of them in here.
Yeah, they're just grabbing it like crazy. And I think I got a bass and I jerk and it just comes up.
I don't think there's very many other places we could have went with that wind, because it's not even really messing us up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not a monster, but bigger than all the little dinks we've been catching.
Oh yeah, it's tough.
It was off that drop where it's deeper over here. Man, that fish is warm. Oh, stop it. Let me get him out. Let me get that. There we go. That's not a bad looking bass. Chunky little thing. All right. Thanks, bud.
Well, we started this video and it was raining like crazy and we were catching some fish. We had a decent day, but I swear it probably dropped at least 30 degrees and John was still catching them. I wasn't having so much luck, but they're still out there. They just weren't biting like we thought they would be, but oh well, that's fishing. So we had a bunch of fun, but thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.